Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric and Candace from Gagne Farms, and we are finally out here tapping our maple trees today. This is going to be a fun day. We're going to get all these trees tapped, or as many as we can. Right, Candace?
Absolutely.
All right. First off, we're going to explain to you guys exactly what we're doing. I got my buckets. I got my drill. I got my spiles and my hoses. And I got my lids over there. And I got my tiny little hammer. So one way that me and Candace has found that we can speed up this process here is if we kind of divide and conquer. So what I'm going to do is go out into the sugar bush here, and I'm going to tap and then pound in the spile with the hose on it, and Candace is going to come around behind me, and she's going to put the bucket and the lid on and make sure everything's secure, pack a little bit of snow around it because it's going to get really warm, and then we're going to move on to the next tree. So we have actually, in this portion of our woods, we tapped last year, and it was a banger. I know, it was crazy. We did so good out here in this new section. We decided to come out here and double down and go even further out into this area. So let's get going, let's get tapping, let's stop yakking and get slurping. All right, we got a virgin tree right here. So we're gonna, you guys wanna make sure just be on a little upward angle when you go to tap. Nothing crazy, that's about level, just a little bit. Make sure you're over top of a nice root. Let her rip. Holy cow, Candace, better hurry up. This thing's a gusher already. We got a virgin tree gusher going on. That thing was gushing like right off the bat. I might even throw another tap in that thing. There's a nice big root right here. It's got a heck of a lean going on here. All right, got my juices flowing. Now I'm ready to go. I don't think we tapped this one before, Candace. Maybe it's another virgin tree. We'll give it a shot here. We are definitely getting out into some new territory here, which is always kind of nice because I like trying different areas, and sometimes you find some really nice trees and other times you find a dud here or there, so it's kind of nice to know what you're kind of going to get out of some of these. Definitely lots I could be tapping back here, mostly over this direction. This way, there's more oaks over there, so not as much to tap. This system's working out great. if you guys got a helper when you're tapping your trees, definitely beneficial to break up the workload just a little bit. So I've already got, Candace, how many taps we got in, do you know?
13.
How many?
Well, I don't, with these 4 buckets, it'll be 13.
That's it?
Yeah.
No way.
That's it.
I thought we had like 40 buckets in already. Okay, well, this is not going as fast as I thought it was going to. But we are getting a lot of new trees tapped. And that's going to be a plus. All right, we just had to go up to the barn and resupply ourselves with some buckets. We're going to put a few more in here. It's starting to, the sun went down on us and it's starting to get a little chilly. All right, I think we are right close to 40 taps right now. And that's all we can get in for today, which is fine. So we'll probably be putting in a few more tomorrow. Probably get home after work tomorrow, pop in a few more taps, and we're gonna call it good. I'm not sure exactly how many taps we're putting in yet. I'll update you tomorrow once we get them all in and give you a final tally. But this has been a really quick process so far, which is what we like to do around here, is quick processes. This seemed to work out well with Candace following behind me and me drilling the hole and putting the spiles in. So usually we got a couple kids out here that are helping out. This year, not so much, so that's okay. Sometimes schoolwork is a little bit more important than going out tapping trees. Sometimes tapping trees is more important than schoolwork, but not in this case.
Tell you why, it's just because I'm gonna break through to you. It's when the signs are all on and true. If it's the last thing I'll ever do, I'm gonna break through.
We just finished up with our 40 taps here. It's getting dark really quick. We've got a lot of content coming up for you guys this year. I've got another RO video coming up. It's a little bit different. I've got a video coming that's going to be answering some of your questions. I know there's a lot of people out there that's got a lot of questions about how we do this maple syruping thing. So we got one of those videos. And of course, we're going to boil some sap. So we're going to fire up that old evaporator. We're going to get this whole system going. We're going to get the filter press going for you guys. We're going to fire everything up. We got a quick, short, fast season coming up. I can guarantee it. This weather is just all over the place. So you guys make sure to follow along. I got a video right here I think you check out that you're going to like.